Get ready for another adventure, Perth to Malaysia. Airport, Malaysia after 17 years, let's go. Getting the essentials before taking off. Starting off from Perth, another travel adventure begins. It's been a while since my last trip, and this time we're heading to KL, Malaysia. Everything packed, checked in, let's go explore. 35, 35, 35, 35. That's my seats, extra leg room. Just landed in Kuala Lumpur. I booked my airport transfer on Klook. Honestly, super cheap and convenient. We're heading straight to Oakwood Residence, my home for the next few days. Heading to a hotel. It's quite quiet. It's 12 o'clock. That's maybe too quiet. This is the hotel. Let's see how it is. Sixteenth floor. Trying to locate the room now. Not bad. That was the living, and then that's the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. Got some storage area and a nice view from the 16th floor. Something I really like doing when I get to a new hotel is go for a tour. Doesn't matter how late it is. It's almost 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna go have a look at the gym and the pool. So this is the pool area. Obviously it's shut. It's open from 7 in the morning to about, oops, I almost slipped, about 9 o'clock in the night. That is the accommodation. We are at one of the top floors, so it's quite good. That's the gym area. Oh wow, it's quite a decent size. There's no lights. Oh, okay, guess that's the lights. Oh, this will do it for me. 24/7. Obviously, I'm really tired. I'm not gonna work out tonight, but I'm definitely gonna come in tomorrow. Some cardio, some dumbbells, up to 25 kilos, more than enough. Cables, cycling, the most important, water. Gotta come in tomorrow. This is the lobby of the hotel. Not bad, hey. Just gonna wait for a late night grab from our grab driver, which is just about to turn up. Gotta get some food. Got some essentials. I'll show you guys. I think I got some nasi goreng. I wanted a cold drink, but I ended up getting a hot drink, so this is what it is. Day 1 in Malaysia. Heading to have some breakfast now. Such a cute tuk-tuk for your Instagram photos. And that was the Christmas tree that last night I couldn't really get a photo of. And that was the pool area, which was really dark last night. Breakfast. is the breakfast, some savory noodles, omelette from the bar, and yeah. I booked today's full day tour again on Klook. It covers some amazing local spots including Batu Cave and Batik making and many more. So now we hop onto the bus. First stop, Batu Caves. Absolutely stunning. Those stairs are no jokes, but I'm looking forward for it.
All those things. Understand? It's actually not okay, to avoid the traffic congestion. Alright? And the total population whole Malaysia is about 33.4 million. Okay, out of this, almost
Finally we're at the Batu Cave, I think it's called. 207 stairs, and that's the massive statue. It is very busy here, but really good weather. So let's go climb the stairs. Workout sorted for today. As always, I powered through the stairs. But how's Manasvi doing? Man, it's free cardio, man. Why not? 270 steps later, that's the cave. It's apparently older than dinosaurs. I don't know how true is that, but it does definitely look ancient. I'm trying to find Manasvi now. There she is, somewhere at the back. Let's go catch up with her, otherwise I'm gonna lose her in this crowd. How was the stairs? She doesn't enjoy cardio, man. Do you enjoy doing cardio? If this was Thailand, there was like, I think 2,000 stairs. That is a challenge. 270 steps. That's not a big challenge. Let's go see the cave now. So once you walk up, that's the main Shiva temple. If you really want to go in, you just need to remove your shoes and then walk in through that. I'm gonna head to the next point. I think it's the Sri Vali temple and then the cave. But there's different temples. You just have to stop, visit. You can put your donations. Giving me Japan vibes, but just a bit more violent. These guys, if you leave any food, they're gone. Look at them enjoying some coconuts. They are so vigilant. You drop anything, they're gonna come and grab it. This naughty guy has got some bananas from someone and he's enjoying eating it. And then that guy is ready to hunt another one. It's really beauty of colors, as it says there. Batu Caves is famous for its beauty and its colors. I buy almost every 3 months for $100 coconut juice. I'm getting to have fresh coconut. Loving Malaysia at the moment. We got some idli, sambar, and some curry puff. Now we're heading to the Batik factory.
Excuse me, I will show you guys the tutorial. Can you come closer? Ready, go. Wait for your friend first, okay?
Take 10 seconds.
No. Okay, so you guys can see this is our final product. It's a pure silk scarf. And you can see all the white line here, the white line before, and the design and color are same on the both sides. For this one, you guys can premium the painting if you like, because there's the artist signature at the bottom of the scarf. Or for a lady, you guys can make a simple top for a beach wear. First, you have to make a triangle and tie 2 knots up here. And then you can put it on, and there's a simple top for you to wear at the beach. And for the second one, from this triangle, you can turn into a simple flower. From this side, put it through, and pick up at the end, turn twice. 1 and 2. And this side, put it between and shake it. So it's become a flower. So you guys can wear it on your head as a headscarf or even a decoration on your outfit. So this one is the second one. This one is a cardio skirt, sarong, so 2 meters long. From this, you can wear it as a dress. Turn twice. 1 and 2. Another one more time, and then tie all over your neck like this, become a dress. For the second one, can be a skirt. Use the same method like how you wear a dress is now. Just this one, you have to tie it at the back like this. Okay, become a skirt. Or can wear like a shawl, or to cover up your shoulder like this. Okay, so that's all from me. You guys can look around.
So I ended up buying that one. Finally made it to the Petronas Twin Tower, baby. We ended the day around the Petronas Twin Tower, Kuala Lumpur's most iconic landmark. But that's where I'll leave you for today. Next vlog, we explore the city, lights, food, and Kuala Lumpur. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button if you enjoyed it so far.